The polio virus has been eliminated from much of the world, but pockets remain in some of the most difficult-to-reach places. Medical teams in Afghanistan, Pakistan, and Nigeria are trying to vaccinate children in remote and vulnerable areas. But widespread unrest in Afghanistan and conflicts in northern Nigeria prevent thousands of children from receiving the polio vaccine. To keep children safe from the crippling and potentially fatal disease, medical teams must coordinate efforts across borders, across conflict zones, and among migrating tribes.
People keep moving with the current trends of mobile populations as a result of either conflicts, economic situation, political situation. You have people moving with the virus, and it's difficult to track them and vaccinate the vulnerable children in this mobile population.
But even as polio eradication efforts focus on the last places where wild polio virus exists, new problems can crop up.
If there's not enough coverage to sustain protection, that virus can mutate. It falls into the environment and it can mutate and goes into outbreaks.
Outbreaks can be avoided by vaccinating entire populations so that there are no gaps for the mutated virus to slip through. In 2017, the World Health Organization reported only 22 cases of the polio virus. But such low numbers can lead to another problem: complacency.
People are getting tired, the program has been going on, they thought it would have ended, and we keep shifting the goalposts and all that.
Without continued international support and funding, experts say polio will prove difficult, if not impossible, to eradicate. That's why it's so important to stay focused.
Complacency is not just for the program alone. The funders of the program are also getting tired. The fund is drying up, and if the fund dries up and the job is not done, you are going to have a major problem. We may have reinfection.
The hope is that if ongoing efforts remain strong, then the infectious disease caused by the polio virus will ultimately be relegated to the history books. Sadie Witkowski, VOA News, Washington.